Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a practical and very tasty recipe. This potato gratin recipe goes well with meatballs, meat, or chicken. Let's get started. Peel 4 large potatoes, approximately 1 kilo, and slice them into thin rings. Put the sliced potatoes into a mixing bowl. Add a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add a quarter of a tea glass of oil. Mix well so that the salt and spices are evenly distributed. Grease a large rectangular Pyrex dish with butter. Place the potato slices slightly overlapping each other in the dish, as you can see in the video. To make the bechamel sauce for the top, add 2 tablespoons of butter to a pan and melt it. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and mix so that no lumps form. Roast until it smells. Add 2 cups of cold milk slowly and stir constantly. Then add a packet of liquid cream as you see in the video. You can also make it without using cream. It will be very nice that way too. Continue boiling while stirring. After it starts to boil, turn down the heat and continue cooking. Add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix and remove from the stove. Spread the prepared bechamel sauce evenly over the potatoes. Then pour the bechamel sauce evenly over the potatoes. At this stage, I thought I had turned on the camera, but I hadn't. Pour the potatoes over and spread evenly. Then crumple 1 piece of greaseproof paper by wetting it in the palm of your hand. Spread this over the potatoes. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Let the potatoes cook for about 40 minutes until soft. It took 40 minutes in my oven. Out of the oven. Sprinkle about 150, 200 grams of grated Casseri cheese on it. Then put it back in the oven and continue to cook until the cheese melts and the top is lightly browned. Bake for about 10 minutes until the top is browned. As you see, let's take it out of the oven. And let's serve our gratin hot and fresh. It is a wonderful gratin that will go well with your meat or chicken dishes. I am sure you will like it very much when you try it. Bon appetit in advance to those who will try. If you have watched my video so far, please like and comment and share my videos on your social media accounts if you like them. You can support me that way. Thank you for watching and for your interest.